Calculate the capillary rise in a glass tube of 3 mm diameter when immersed vertically in water and mercury. Take surface tension for water and mercury as 0.0725 Newton per meter and 0.52 Newton per meter respectively in contact with air. Specific gravity for mercury is given as 13.6. So what is given in this question? So in this question, given the diameter that is equal to 3 mm, that is equal to 0.003 meter, surface tension of water that is equal to 0.0725, and surface tension of mercury that is equal to 0.52 Newton per meter, and the specific gravity of mercury that is 13.6. You have to find out the capillary rise for water and capillary rise for mercury. So we know that for water, we know that H that is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho g d. So from here, 4 into sigma, what is the value of sigma for water? That is 0.0725, and the theta for water, remember this theta for water for 0 degree, and theta for mercury that is equal to 130, so this is degree. Okay, so cos 0 degree divided by rho that is equal to 1000 into 9.81 into d, that is 0.003. So the answer will be 0.0098 meter. So that will be 0.98 centimeter. So the answer will be 0.98 centimeter for water. So if you find out the capillary rise for mercury, HAG that is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho g d. So 4 into sigma, what is the value of sigma of mercury? 0.52 into cos 130 degree by 1000 into 9.81 and d, that is 0.003. So from here the value will be minus of 0.00334 meter. So minus of 30, so minus of 0.334 centimeter. So here there is a minus sign because there is a capillary depression. So this will be the answer of the capillary depression for mercury.